Chapter 7 Water A Precious Gift. What happened to the rainwater? When it rained, a lot of water fell to the ground. Where did all this water go? Here is the rain falling on different surfaces. Imagine what happens to the rainwater on different surfaces. Does the rainwater get absorbed into the soil, collect in puddles, or flow away? Have you ever wondered whether it joins a small stream or a river? What happens when the rain stops and the sun comes out? What happens to all this water? Make your own guesses. When rainwater gets soaked into the soil, it may slowly flow under the soil to join a stream or a pond. Some of the water gets stored under the ground between the rocks and the soil. The water in our wells comes from this underground water. Water flowing in a stream later joins rivers. Some of the water gathers in puddles, ponds, and lakes, and also in the seas and oceans. Water is a precious gift. Water is a gift that falls from the sky. This gift reaches our homes in special ways. How do we care for this gift? How do we store it? What do we do with it? Let us go indoors and find out. On most days, Surya and Barkha get water from the taps at home. At school too, they get water from taps. All these taps get water through pipes. From where does the water come into these pipes? Surya and Barkha followed the pipes and found that there was a tank on the roof. Now they are puzzled with how the water came into the tank in the first place. Where do we get water from? Do you get water from a tap? If yes, ask the elders in your home from where the water comes into the tap. They may tell you about a tank high up on the terrace or some distance away. Did you find out about any tanks where the water is stored? How did water reach those tanks? Are there some bigger pipes which bring the water to this tank? Where do these pipes come from? Do you get water from a well or a bore well? Observe how water is drawn from the well. It could be using a pulley or a hand pump or an electrical pump. Guess again where the water in the well comes from. Does someone bring the water to your home from a tap or a well, or from a river or lake some distance away? Who carries this water? How do they bring it? Say a big thank you to the people who bring you the water. Have you ever faced a situation where you did not get any water? What did you do then? One day it happened to Surya and Barkha too. Do you know what they did? When we know that we do not get water all the time, then we store it. In some places, people do not get running water through taps and pipes in their homes. They have to bring the water from a river or well. Sometimes it is delivered through water tankers and stored at home. Many years ago, there were no pipes or taps anywhere in the world. So people learned to make containers or vessels to store water. Here are some vessels that we use nowadays for storing water at home. They are made of different materials: clay pot, clay surahi, copper vessel, brass pot, steel pot, aluminium pot, glass bottle, plastic bucket. Stop for a moment and think. Water comes down to earth as rain. It slowly fills up our many sources: streams, rivers, ponds, lakes, wells, groundwater, etc. From these sources, we bring water to our homes in many ways. We store it in many ways. We use it in many ways. What happens to water after we use it? Water helps us in keeping things clean. This is very important for our health. But after we use it, the water becomes dirty. We cannot use dirty water for drinking or cooking, but we can reuse the wastewater for watering our plants or for flushing toilets. Let us strive to reduce our use of water and reuse water whenever possible. We should not add too much soap and other such chemicals in water. Let us take care of this precious gift from the sky. Every drop counts. Water is considered sacred because it is absolutely essential for our survival. We cannot live more than 3 days without drinking water. In some places where it rains very little and there are no big water bodies, people have to walk for long distances to get water. Don't you think everyone must get clean drinking water anywhere, anytime? Take action. Offer clean drinking water to whoever comes to your door. It could be people who provide us postal or sanitation services. In many places, there is a tradition of keeping pots of water outside homes so that anybody feeling thirsty can have water. This is particularly so in the hot summer months. Prepare a bird bath. Offer water to birds in the hot summer months. A bird bath contains water in a shallow plate for birds to drink and cool down. Water is very precious. We should be cautious about how we use it. We should not waste even a drop of water.